platform is painting crew, and that is you painting the platform. Hello, I'm Arlen Kai, a member of the Oregon Rotary Club. We're here at Lerner Park, part of a workday session that we are having in restoring, cleaning up the park this fall. We're looking for volunteers to be helping with the cleanup, the prairie restoration, building of paths, building of bluebird houses, restoring the prairie, removal of invasive species of plants, and making Lerner Park a conservation park for everybody in the Village of Oregon and Village of Oregon area. We would like to invite you to come join us as part of this, as part of Friends of Lerner Park. See how it crawls inside? This is an obedient plant. And you saw how the bee crawls inside the flower to pollinate it. Isn't it a lovely beast? This is a lovely flower. And why it's an obedient plant, I'm not sure, but it's a great name. The path that we have just walked on is part of the spring project. First weekend, the first Monday in May, we have a work project day with the 8th graders from the Oregon Middle School. They have 3 teams. One builds the path. One helps to clear the honeysuckle. If you look back here, you see this ever thick brush that's about 10 feet tall. That is all invasive plants that do not belong in the prairie. And then we have a 3rd team that we come over here. You can see where they planted new prairie plants. So it's clearing the invasives. So you saw the brush behind us. This was all 10, 12 foot tall honeysuckle that have been cleared, paths made, native plants installed.
Hello, I'm Greg Gramberg, Rotary President of the Oregon Rotary Club here in Oregon, Wisconsin. We're out here today working at Lerner Park. What a beautiful day to be out here. Oregon Rotary has been in existence for over 50 years, and it's a great way for us to give back to our community as working professionals and residents in Oregon, Wisconsin. We've done Lerner Park, we do environmental, we do education, we do other things like that. And please reach out to us, look at our Facebook page, or come to one of our meetings. They are virtual right now. We have presenters from Oregon, Wisconsin, and the world that come and present on so many different topics just to raise awareness. And it's a great way to connect with your community and give back. Hope we can see you soon.
Yeah, part of a volunteer, one of our volunteer projects was to build this observation deck overlooking the marsh pond. That pond has a lot of waterfowl, geese, ducks, many varieties of ducks, and sandhill cranes have been on this pond. So we have built this almost 15 years ago, and as part of another volunteer project, here we are, we're painting it up for the coming years. We're here at the classroom. This is another Eagle Scout project that the Rotary Club helped to fund and promote. It has, as you see, a great little seating area, the podium out in nature. You see behind it the line of trees, which was the old fence row to the farm that was once here. So you have a group, come talk about nature, or just come and enjoy the outdoors. Have your class out here, have your meeting. Right here you're seeing a compass plant. This is a baby compass plant that was part of the 8th grade planting of native species project. The compass plant will also grow maybe 6, 7 or more feet tall, and it's a compass plant because it's a sunflower, and it sends out its flowers in 4 directions. So it's a compass. If you look at it, so instead of these tall sunflower single flower stalks, this comes up and they stub out in 4 directions. Come out and enjoy nature. It's a beautiful day in a beautiful place. We have the prairie, we have the paths, and this is your park. Come and enjoy. Come join me.